Welcome to hashtag Better Eats. Today we make pasta. I want you to get you some boiling water. In this boiling water, we're gonna add some noodles. And I said only boiling water. If you ask the real Italian, they will tell you don't put no oil in here. Just add a little bit of salt. So that's what we'll do. We'll sprinkle some salt in here, and let's get these noodles in here. Yeah, then. Today we are using linguine noodles. Get you some linguine noodles, you dig? Now I'm just cooking for me, so what you do is get a handful of noodles. This is the only amount you need for a single serving for just you. You see that? That's a little bit over a handful. You dig? And drop your noodles into your hot water. And I said just drop them in there. They will fold like so into the water. No need to break them. See how they are sliding down as we speak. See, it does it itself. No need to break your noodles. All right. See how your noodles are in the pan? No need to break them. You let your noodles come to a boil like so. All right, when you go to the store and they don't have no vegetables, it's crazy. Just get you a Chinese style stir fry blend. It pretty much got what you need. Your green beans, your broccoli, your carrot, your red peppers, your onions, and your mushrooms. But I'm going to add some more red peppers in here and maybe a bit more mushrooms. Now, while we wait for your noodles to cook, I want you to get you a frying pan and let's fry up these vegetables. Yeah, then get you some olive oil in there. In that frying pan, add you one garlic clove. Cut it up. Cut the garlic. This is how you want your noodles al dente. Cut them off and drain them. This is al dente. Cut them and drain them. This is how your noodles should look. Now, if you want more garlic, you can add more garlic. It's up to you. However much garlic you would like. But fry you up some garlic and add the vegetables directly into this garlic mix. Now, I want you to add the vegetables directly into this pan. Like that. Now, fry and season these vegetables. Be sure that you spread your veggies out so that they saute. All right, now we got these veggies sauteed. I want you to add this pasta in there, and we got some steak we're going to add as well that was pre-cooked. Add your noodles right into the seasoned spot, like so. Now continuously toss your noodles around into this wonderful vegetable mix. Just continue to fold your noodles and your vegetables in and add your steak as well, or whatever type of, maybe you're using chicken, I don't know, but add your chicken or your steak at this time, or you can leave it plain and just enjoy it with the vegetables and add soy sauce. Now at the end, I decided I didn't even want to add the steak. It was looking so good with the vegetables, I decided to just leave it as a veggie pasta. So here's your veggie pasta. This is a divine veggie pasta. And let's plate this up and taste it. And this is your finished product. This is a divine veggie pasta. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Let's get up in there for a taste, shall we? Mm-hmm. This bite's for you. Mm, 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 mm. That don't even gotta be that good. Mm, 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 mm. I suggest you take time out to just make yourself a wonderful veggie pasta. It's always a pleasure. Thanks for choosing hashtag Better Eats, where you better had ate something great like a veggie pasta. You dig? Peace and blessings. Always a pleasure.